Hi, this is Colin, founder of Dropboard. Today we're going to be talking about the Recruiter Portal. This is a turnkey solution where you can get an entire recruitment website with one click. You can showcase your brand, allow clients to sign up, log in, manage their jobs, manage their candidates, and candidates can view all of the jobs in your system and filter and sort them. In this demo, we're going to create our own fake little recruitment website called Rosewood, and this is the homepage that we've set up. And we can go to Browse Jobs, see all the jobs that are in our Dropboard account. We can sort and filter and search by these, and we can apply for these jobs in an apply panel that pops up here. We can add custom fields to our form and customize pretty much the entire experience. On the employers page, this is where clients can come and request to join your portal. You can customize this form by asking whatever questions that you like, and for returning clients, they can log into their account here. So let's check out how easy this is to set up. I'm on the Clients tab here under Your Portal, and I click Portal Designer. From here, you can control all the branding options for your site, including a primary color, so we can change this to anything we want that matches our brand. And we can add a footer, we can upload a logo and an icon for our page. And then we can use these arrows to move through the various aspects of the portal. So first, let's look at the home page. You can have a background image here on the lower half. You can create a paragraph and a headline, customize all the buttons here. This is the sign up page frame, so you can get this looking exactly like you want. It's going to inherit your default color, but you can always override this if you'd like. On the sign up form, you can customize this as well, adding custom questions. So you can choose file uploads, choose one, choose multiple, short answer, long answer, and then you can drag these around to your liking. And you get a live preview here on the left. After they have completed their sign-up request, you can customize the confirmation screen that they receive, customize the login screen, and then just like in our other Dropboard embeds, you can control lots of different options of how we show your jobs. You can override the main color, you can set all sorts of customizations for this. In this case, we're showing the client name next to each job and we're showing the job closing date, but we can turn those off if we'd like to. And moving on to the application form, we can customize these fields as we like. We can set some privacy disclaimer and links, and we can add custom fields to our form. Once the candidate has submitted their application, this is the confirmation screen they receive. And here's the confirmation email that you can customize. You can even set your own terms of service and privacy policy. And then when we're done with that, we just hit save. And we can customize the other settings that we have for our portal. By default, you're going to get a link on Dropboard's own URL that you can use temporarily or forever if you'd like. But you can go one step further and use a custom domain. So by setting up a CNAME record in your DNS settings for your domain, you can either use a root domain, your actual root domain of your website, or you can do something like recruiting.acme.com. So let's test this out with just a sample domain here. Once you've entered your DNS settings and you've entered your domain here in Dropboard, you can hit check again periodically until those DNS records have made it through the internet, and then you'll be verified. Whenever your clients submit a request to join, they're going to go to specific people on your team. So you can decide who is going to be managing those requests, who's going to get an email every time a new client comes in. You can also customize the message that they receive when you approve them. We'll automatically include an invitation link for them. And if you'd like to, you can opt into sending a decline notification. So let's take a look at this from a client perspective. They'll come to your website and they'll decide that they want to join, and then they can enter this information here. And they submit their request. They get their confirmation. In Dropboard, you're going to see these sign-up requests come in right here on the left. You can evaluate everything that they've said here and either approve or decline the request. Or you can do this straight from email. Anybody who's a request manager will receive these email notifications, including all the information that they submitted and a link for you to handle these requests. You don't even have to log in for these, so it's very quick to just approve or decline. So let's go ahead and approve this person here. And the request goes away. And your client's going to receive an email like this where they'll be able to log into their account. And they get a slimmed down version of Dropboard with your branding. They have the ability to create their own jobs. They can manage the candidates that come into them. So let's go ahead and create a job here called Barista. And let's go ahead and let AI write this for us. Okay. They can set whatever details they want, and now they've got their first job. Now let's flip back over to your portal. If we go to the home page and browse jobs, we're now going to see that client's job right alongside all the other jobs you have. So there you have it. You can have thousands of jobs in here. Dropboard's going to support you completely. We'll be continuing to roll out new features like filtering options on the left, client logos, and maybe even collecting payment from your clients. Thank you so much for using Dropboard, and I'll see you next time.